What's up, guys? Tonight I am here with the turtle. He's somewhere. There he is. We came to this abandoned train tunnel here in the middle of Connecticut. Oh my God, guys. It took us about 2 hours just to get here. We went to 3 different locations and then we finally made it here, guys. So, with that, hit Hobie Cat. Find me on Facebook and Instagram. Look out for my friend Turtle on Facebook and Instagram. All right, now the story about this place is that 2 ghosts roam these tunnels, guys. And when did this place close? In 1906?
Yeah, 1906.
1906, guys. So they don't know who the ghosts are. They don't know where they come from. All they know is that they just roam around. So we're gonna check this out. See you guys on the other side. Wow, guys.
Oh yeah,
All right, guys, so it's about 4:30 in the morning right now. We've been on the road since about 12 o'clock. Oh man, what is this thing? Whoa. Wow. Look at the inner workings, guys.
you don't know if your people may have got hit by a train. You don't know if they are.
So before we press on, if you guys hear anything or see anything in this video, let me know in the comment section, okay? Because remember, 2 ghosts are wandering around here. Like Turtle said, I mean, this is one long freaking tunnel. And woo! Yeah, so 2 ghosts are meant to be wandering around here. They don't know who they are, where they come from. We've seen some pretty old freaking buckets collecting water for some reason. I don't know. But, oh my God, this is, what? Look, looks like 2 ghosts right there. See that? It's pretty cool. Wow.
That's the thing too. You gotta come back.
I don't know what these little, I guess, you know what?
I think they're like worker safety spots.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. See, I should know what those are because I took it up in science. Maybe it's called stalactites or something. Oh, what is that thing? Oh, it's some kind of bug. You guys see that?
Right there?
Yeah.
It's a bug.
Yeah, it was just like moving around. I'm like, what the hell is that? Okay. Cool, cool. Yeah. I mean, I think like the further we walk in here, oh man, check that out. Cool. Yeah, man, you think if this was still in use, look at this. Wow. Yeah, I don't think this is still in use, Turtle. Yeah,
But I
guys,
didn't notice
we
anything. I didn't get freaky.
made it to the end of this mile-long bridge, tunnel, and ooh, wow, guys. This is really interesting. Oh, look at these little cans. Well, they're not old, but they look old.
Oh, we found something over there. Oh, it's just spray paint can.
Yeah, so,
Look at that old, oh my
look at that.
God.
You see that old Powerade bottle?
Man, look at that
Look, 98.
fuel cycle bottle.
1998.
Wow.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna go see what's over here now. Alright. I don't know. That's cool though, I like that. Ash hole. Cool, cool. Yeah, guys, we're about to make our way back into this dark tunnel, guys. Whole bunch of graffiti, which is cool. Adds a little bit of color. What does that say? Mar? Marley Mar. You know what, guys? I seriously don't think that this tunnel is being used by the railroad company because of some of the walls that you guys saw in the video. Whoa! I gotta watch where I'm going here because I can't even see. Oh, it's just a burnt piece of wood. I mean, there's like a lot of burnt pieces of wood throughout this whole tunnel. Yeah, so me and Turtle were just making our way back. Ooh. I mean, it's so dark in here, guys. You guys want to see how dark it is? Check this out. Well, without oh, look at that, guys. Look how dark this is. Imagine being in a place like this, just no light, no nothing. So 1906 is when this was built. I mean, it's a cool tunnel, guys. I like it, you know. Can't see where I'm going. That's okay. Where's Turtle? Oh, he's back there using his black light. As far as the paranormal, guys, I'm not sensing anything. Usually my hairs are on end and my ears start ringing, but I'm not feeling anything. The bad part is, I'm gonna show you this hill that we gotta go back up. Oh my God. Alright guys, well, we're nearing the end of this tunnel system here. Wow, this is quite a hike, guys. Was it a mile down and a mile back up? there we go. Stay trippy. All right, guys. So we made it a mile up, a mile down to this place. I got the turtle right here. I'm gonna show you what this place looks like. But this is not the fun part, guys. No. This is not the creme de la creme. What we're about to go through. Oh, why are we going so fuzzy?
That could be a ghost.
Just check this, yeah. Check this out, guys. We gotta go all the way up. Oh my God. All right, guys. Well, guys asked for content. We're about to give you guys some content. We're gonna try to walk. Well, we're gonna try to get up this hill, but you guys are gonna come with us so you guys can see exactly what we go through. Okay. All right, guys, we're about to make this wet leaf, wet mud climb back up this hill right here. Oh my God. Okay. Which way do I go? I guess I go this way. Put my foot right here. Guys, if you guys are scared of heights, don't even try this at home, guys. This is, oh my God, wet leaves, wet mud. I'm carrying a flashlight, carrying my camera gear, carrying everything. Oh my God. Where's Turtle? Okay. Check that out, guys. Climbed up this freaking hill. There's a train, that train tunnel. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's swing this way. Guys. Woo. This is no joke, guys. This is one of the steepest climbs I've ever had to do just to get out of here. Turtle's already up there. And I'm trying to record this as we're trying to go up here. Okay. Okay. So guys, just in case this is my last video, I give Turtle full permission to make this go viral. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. I just made a spill right here. Okay, where am I going here? Okay. Oh, there we go. Ooh, guys. That is one long drop. Okay. You found the easy way, Turtle?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's already up there. All right, guys. Now we're trying to get through this wild bush here. Now, I think he went this way. I don't know. Let's try to get through here. Oh. Okay, guys, I think we lost him. I don't even know how to get out of here. Oh no. Okay, guys. I think I found a way. My God. Okay. Grab onto this branch. Pull myself up. Oh. Okay, guys. We're almost out of here. Almost out. Okay, guys, we're out of here. Guys, we made it out. We made it out. We're safe. There's a turtle. He's filming me, I'm filming him. See, we're like filming each other right now. Guys, that was an awesome adventure. Man, Hobie Cat, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, follow the turtle right back here on Instagram, Facebook. Peace, guys, we'll see you soon.